In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Webflow. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but by following these steps, you'll find it straightforward and intuitive. Let's dive in. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Webflow's homepage. Webflow is a versatile visual website builder, perfect for creating custom websites without needing to write code from scratch. Once there, click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your Webflow account and proceed to the dashboard. Now that you're on the Webflow dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Select the project you wish to edit by clicking on it. This will open up the workspace where you can make changes to your project. In this workspace, you'll want to locate and click on the Add Elements tab. It's typically found on the left side of the editor and is represented by a small plus icon. Within the Add Elements tab, you can search for various building blocks that you need for your website. Here, type div block into the search bar. The div block element will appear in the search results. Click on it to add it to your workspace. A div block is a fundamental building block in Webflow that helps structure your page and lets you house various elements, including images. Next, click on the div block in your workspace, and then you'll want to drag and drop your image file into this div block. Simply click on your image file, hold down the mouse button, and drag it into the div block. When you release the mouse button, the image will be placed within the div block. Now comes the fun part: cropping your image. Using the Style Settings panel, usually located on the right, you can adjust various parameters of the div block to crop the image according to your needs. By changing dimensions like height and width, or applying overflow settings, you can achieve the perfect crop. The overflow settings are crucial because they allow you to hide any part of the content that exceeds the div block's boundaries, effectively cropping the image. And there you have it. You now know how to crop an image in Webflow using a div block. As you practice, you'll discover how intuitive these tools really are, allowing you to bring your creative vision to life effortlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and encourage you to explore further to create beautiful, unique designs with Webflow. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks.